All right, buddy, settle down and listen up. We've got active shooters in the Watt Community College campus. From what we know right now, they are contained inside the science wing, but we all know that could change. We've had numerous reports coming in, and we know there are victims dead and alive. We don't have time to mess around on this one.
How many shooters are there?
We don't know exactly. The reports have been varied, but we do know there are at least 2, but probably more. 2 campus security officers are at the scene. We don't know where, but we've got their details, and one is former LSPD.
Do we have contact with them?
No. We got the info based on what one of the 911 callers provided, and we don't have time to waste. We need to lock down that wing and close ground on them ASAP. I want you all to be ready. We're working to see if we can find a possible location based on the calls and the rooms the callers are in, but we're moving fast. If we don't have it when we pull up, we're going in without it.
What are our entry points?
The science wing has 3 main entrances. I want to hit all 3 at once. We're not giving them a chance to get out once we arrive. We've got uniforms coming in too, locking down the campus and doing all the footwork. It should be obvious, but we're going in with lethal force, boys. These assholes are shoot kids. My kid went to this college, goddammit.
"911, this call is being recorded. What is your emergency?" "What is your emergency?"
"I need help.
"Can you tell me what's wrong?"
I'm hiding. There's blood. So much blood."
"Okay, I'm going to need you to stay calm. Do you know where you are?"
"No, they don't."
"No, I mean, where are you?"
"Hiding in a cupboard. They came in and just started shooting."
Okay, that's good. Where's the cupboard?"
"In a classroom."
"You're doing great. So you're at school. Which school?"
What college? Please, come help me. I don't want to die."
"I need you to stay calm. The police are on their way, okay? They are on their way. Stay where you are."
"I don't want to. Please don't let me die."
"Stay calm. Remain where you are. Is the shooter nearby?"
"I don't know. Don't make me look."
Ma'am, I'm not asking you to do anything of the sort. Stay where you are."
Oh, God.
"Ma'am?"
"They're coming back."
"Stay calm. I'm right here with you."
Feel very full of grace. The Lord is with thee. No, please, no!
911, this call's being recorded. What is your emergency?
"I've been shot."
"911, this call's being recorded. What is your emergency?"
"I've been shot.
Okay, can you tell me your location?
I'm at the Watt Community College. 3 guys just came into the science block and opened fire.
Where are they now?"
I don't know. There are bodies everywhere. Please send help."
"The LSPD are on the way, sir. I need you to stay calm. Can you tell me how badly you're hurt?"
They shot me in the back. I tried to run. There's blood, and I can't... Oh, Christ, I can't move my legs.
It's all going to be okay. Stay calm. Don't worry. Help is coming."
Do you promise?
"The LSPD are en route, sir. We have paramedics coming too. Just remain calm, and if you can, in any way, find some cover."
I never told my mom I loved her. I always tell her before I leave the house, but today, I didn't. Oh, God, it hurts so bad.
"Try to remain calm. What's your name?"
George.
"Okay, George. Just stay calm. Don't make any noise or draw attention to yourself."
Where are they?
"Who? The shooters? Are they coming back?"
The police, where are they?
"The LSPD are on their way. I promise. But listen to me, George. You need to stay quiet."
Oh, God, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. I love you.
"George? George, can you hear me? George?" 911, this call is being recorded. What's your emergency?
I need the police. You need to send the police right away.
Okay, ma'am. Can I take your location?
Yes, I'm at the Watt Community College campus. There's someone shooting. I don't know what's going on, but they told me to call.
Who told you to call?
The officers who were here, the security, I mean, they heard the shots, told me to call, and ran to help.
Can I take your name?
I'm Sarah Chambers.
All right, Sarah. Tell me what happened.
There's someone shooting at the school.
We've already got officers en route. Can you see the shooters?
No, it's not here. It's over in one of the buildings. I'm just working at the coffee kiosk. I don't know what's going on.
That's fine. It's good that you're safe. Do you know anything about how many shooters there are?
No, I'm sorry. I don't know anything. The security guys were here ordering a coffee like they do every morning, and when we all heard something, it sounded like firecrackers, but far away. The security guys dropped their drinks, told me to call 911, and ran off.
That's great, Sarah. You've done really well. As I said, the LSPD is en route. We don't know how many shooters there are, so gonna have to immediately find shelter.
I can hide here. There's no one around, but please, hurry.
911.
You got point.
Doc reporting. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in, cure the area quickly.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is bleeding but unconscious.
Jam's notified.
I'll get it. Good to go. I'll get him ready. I have to do this. Cuffed and ready. Lead talk. Civilian
Entry
to the
team,
door.
this is Talk. Move on.
I'm back it. Got him. Evidence good to go.
Suspect making it safe.
LSPD!
Shit! I'll take my chances. Fuck!
Police, get down! Fall in.
Behind you. Good, down now! One suspect down. Lead. Breathing.
Doc here.
Suspect down here.
Clean house.
Lieutenant,
We'll
ASAP.
take them out.
Restraining. Civilian is cuffed.
This is Talk. Proceed with
Do
mission.
it now!
Civilian
Talk
is
to
secured.
lead. Trailer zip.
I'll do it, okay? I'll do it.
Hands I'll get him ready.
Got it.
You're okay.
Got it back.
We're
Evidence
with the
secured.
police.
Good to go.
God.
Civilian is clear.
Talk
Civilian
here.
secure.
Beauty. Keep them coming.
Good to go. Compliant.
Damn it.
Hands up! Down on your knees! Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
I got him.
Hands on your head! Do it now!
I can't. I
Hands
need to
up!
help. Quick.
Police, get your hands up!
Police, this is Talk.
I'll get him ready.
support on me.
You got point. You're safe with us.
Down on your goddamn knees!
Right,
Get
right,
down
right.
now!
Don't
Put your hands up!
Talk to
Get
lead.
down now! Don't move!
Moving into handcuff. I got you. Don't worry.
Police, down on the ground! Hands up! Do it now! Get down! I want to see hands down on the ground!
Roger. Trailers inbound.
another guy with me.
Turn around!
Seriously,
Don't get up!
watch your fire.
Restrain him! Talk.
This is
Civilian is
Talk.
injured.
Make
Requesting
them stable
terms.
and proceed with mission.
Legal to talk.
Talk
Civilian
reporting.
secure.
Proceed with
Good to
mission.
go. Compliant.
Put your hands up now! LSPD, don't move!
Let me find my friend. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Moving into handcuff.
You're not in
Talk
trouble.
reporting. No more
shoot.
bombs. We're good.
Civilian restrained.
Hands up!
Police, hands up.
Police, get down!
Hold on.
Get down!
Listen.
Hands up, above your
Wait a
head!
second.
Get down and put your
Don't
hands
shoot.
up. I'll get him
Fall
ready.
behind me. Arrest
You got
him.
point. You're gonna be okay.
Hands on your neck on the ground! Now! Police, hands up! Hands up above your head! Down on the ground! Now!
I'll take
Down
my
on your
chances.
knees! Get down and keep your hands up! Down on your knees!
Police, let me find my friend.
I got it.
Police.
Turn around and stay still.
Don't worry. Talk and ready.
Talk.
I think I lost it.
Talk
Civilian
here.
secured.
Trailers incoming. Proceed with call.
Police, don't move.
Hands
Wait a
up!
second.
Drop to your... Get down! I want to see hands! Let me see those hands!
It's not
Put
me.
your hands up!
No, no, no. I'm
Keep
getting
your
down.
hands up!
I'll take my chances.
Tie them down.
Moving into handcuff.
Oh, thank fuck.
I won't hurt you.
Good to go. Talk. Good to
This is
go.
Talk. Trailers inbound.
Chem light out.
Oh God, you're dead.
Please, get me out.
Hands on your head!
Police, I want to see those hands.
Cuff him.
I have to do this. Good to go.
You guys saved my ass.
Talk here. Great
Good to
work,
go.
entry team.
Compliant.
That's a wrap.
I don't want to die.